What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 6 big tech stocks, and now let's get right into Apple, which is down 0.34% on the day, and Apple stock once again getting rejected at 148 blue line 5 SMA, and also putting a topping tail today. So Apple stock definitely, guys, back to back 2 days cannot get that breakout, not even above this blue line 5 SMA. Forget about getting a breakout above 150, and now it's sitting at 147.41. Apple stock can definitely come down to 145 early as tomorrow, and then needs to hold. Below that, we have more downside on Apple, 144 and then 140. Now, one thing is strange here on Apple stock, and let me point that out to you guys. We got lower Bollinger Band actually moving up rapidly, and now it's sitting at 144 right here on this daily chart. Also, upper Bollinger Band coming down. So we're going to see a big move, and I think it's going to play to the downside, but we just have to wait patiently and let price action do all the talking. And breaking below support 145, 144, then we can possibly talk about 140 to even 135 on Apple stock. Tomorrow, resistance level to watch 148, 150, and then we can possibly see a move all the way up to 153.35 on Apple stock. And now we're going to look at Meta. So on Meta, it's up 3% on the day, $5.40, and I took a short position on Meta and already slightly in the green because this thing went up 3 times, back and forth, coming down to 174, 173, going back all the way up to 177.55, and now we're actually trading above 174.94, still under 175, white line 20 SMA. So Meta here, guys, I took a short position, and especially if you want to get my trade ideas, you want to support the channel, get 3 days of live trading and all the swing trade ideas, check out my Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description. So on Meta, now we have support right here, 173 and then 171.48 all the way down to 170. To the upside, we need to get above 175, and tomorrow, and if we look at this on this 30-minute chart, we got a gap down here at 169.69, and we also got a gap up here on Meta. So I mean, we're not too far away from closing this gap at 179.18, and then possibly a dump off down to 170, and that is possible on Meta. But as of right now on this daily chart, watch out for the support at 173 and then 171.48 all the way down to 170, and then a bigger dump off all the way down to 153.58 to close this entire gap down here, guys, and that's going to take a little bit of time on Meta. Now also, same thing, we got lower Bollinger Band rapidly moving up and the upper Bollinger Band actually coming down. So we're going to see what's going to happen in next couple of weeks here on all these mega caps. And now we're going to look at Tesla. On Tesla stock, it's down 0.92% on the day, but Tesla was up pre-market almost 2%, and this thing ran all the way up to 211.23, and now it's trading above 203, holding orange line, 13 SMA as support. If that gives up, more downside, back down to 200, and then we also got this gap down here at 197.67, and below that, Tesla can dump really hard all the way down to 178. Above 203, we could see a push back up to 213, 214, and then 218 also possible on Tesla stock. And now we're going to look at Microsoft. So Microsoft stock is absolutely flat on the day, and look at this low volume, guys. Only 21 million shares traded on Microsoft, not really going anywhere. And look at this rejection once again from this negatively sloping 5 SMA on this daily chart, sitting at 251.50, not even holding 250 end of the day, and now it's trading at 249.42. Now we have strong support down here at 245 and then 243. To the upside, we need to get above 250 251.50, then we're going to see a push up to 255, 258.74 to even 260. And now we're going to look at Amazon. So Amazon just getting a dead cat bounce and not even bouncing above $95, still trading at 94, only up 0.5% on the day. So this could be a dead cat bounce before heading down to 90 to close this gap down here, and that could be coming early as tomorrow. Now to the upside, Amazon can break 95, then we're going to see more upside, 96.87, next resistance above 95, and then 98.10. This gap up here will also get filled, and then we also have resistance at 99.41 on Amazon. And now we're going to look at Google. Google stock slightly up on the day, 0.22%, and if you look at my screen, getting rejected off of this negatively sloping 5 SMA, sitting at 90.52, and now it's trading at 90 after hours. So Google sitting at strong support, 90 to 89, and soon as that gives up, this thing can come down to 85. To the upside, now we need to get above 90.52, and if that holds as a support, we're going to see a quick trip up to 93.26, 93.45 to even $94, red line 50 SMA, all the way up to 97. And that's all I have for you guys tonight on 6 big tech stocks.